Laundry essentials. Washing and drying your clothes. Hello, learners. Today, we are going to talk about a very practical and essential part of everyday life: laundry. Specifically, we'll dive into washing and drying clothes. We'll learn about the materials that clothes can be made of, and the best ways to care for each one to ensure your clothes stay fresh and long-lasting. Let's dive right in. Understanding the material your clothes are made from is the first step to providing appropriate care. Some common materials include cotton, polyester, silk, wool, and denim. Each material has different properties and requires different care. For example, cotton clothes are usually sturdy and can be machine washed, while silk and wool items need more gentle care. The care label on your clothing item is like a cheat sheet for its washing instructions. It tells you what temperature to wash at, whether the item can be ironed, and if it should be dried in a dryer or air-dried. Remember to always check the care label before washing an item. It's a simple step, but one that can save your favorite clothes from shrinking or fading. The washing process varies based on the type of fabric and the care label instructions. Most clothes can be machine washed, but delicate fabrics like silk or wool might need to be hand washed. Additionally, pay attention to the wash cycle: normal, delicate, etc., and the water temperature: cold, warm, hot. For example, washing colored clothes in cold water helps prevent color bleeding. After washing, clothes need to be dried. Some clothes can be dried in a tumble dryer, while others should be air-dried. As a rule of thumb, the more delicate the fabric, the more likely it is that air drying is recommended. Items like jeans and towels can usually handle the heat of the dryer, but a blouse made from silk would be better off drying on a hanger. Occasionally, you may face issues like clothes shrinking, colors fading, or white clothes turning a different color. Usually, these issues can be avoided by reading and following the care label, separating your laundry by color, and using the correct amount of detergent. And that wraps up our guide on washing and drying clothes. We hope that this information will help you better care for your clothes and avoid common laundry mishaps. Remember, the key to keeping your clothes looking their best is understanding the material and following the care label instructions. Happy washing and drying, everyone!